Well, hello again, Solis Wealth family. Greg Solis here for our update. First of all, let you know family's doing wonderful. As a matter of fact, Monica and I were able to get away for an LPL conference, if you can believe it. We were at a conference after almost 2 years of this pandemic. We finally were able to go away to the so-called the LPL Summit, which was held in Ojai, and just had a great time. There's about 150 advisors there. LPL now has over 19,000 advisors. Hard to believe. Over $1 trillion under management. I'm just one of those 19,000 advisors. But at this conference, it was just the top 150, which was just a humbling experience to be there with these people. They're really, really gifted people, very smart, and had a great time getting some best practice ideas. Also hanging out with some of the executive team from the corporate office. Really gave me a lot of confidence that we know we're with a good firm. So Monica and I had a good quality time together, spent some alone time as well as with some other couples, and it was just a really, really great experience. So that was nice. We're going to continue our core values. We are on number 6, believe it or not, 6 of 8. If you recall, number 1 was trust and integrity. Number 2 was positive attitude. Number 3 was considering others as important as yourself. Number 4 was proper stewardship. Number 5 was do the right thing for the right reasons, no matter what the cost and no matter who's watching. And today, number 6, build a great team. Really, the concept of this came from understanding the importance of relationships in life. I'm a firm believer. For me personally, it's my relationship with God. It's my relationship with others. That really is the cornerstone of life for me personally. And so from that, I want to surround myself with good quality people. And even in business, I think it completely is applicable to that. And so hiring well, I think, is one of the most important things that I could do as the CEO of this organization. Hiring people that have buy-in to the why behind what we do, understanding the mission statement, understanding the vision statement, having buy-in to these core values even that we're discussing is critically important. If they can understand the why behind it, and they're gifted and talented, and they're excited about doing what it is that we do, you don't even have to manage the people. They will take care of themselves, and they do an extraordinary job. And so I believe it's the sum of all the parts working together that creates amazing things. And so that's what we do here at Solis Wealth Management. As clients, you understand that we've built an incredible team that genuinely cares about you, operates it at the highest level of competence and integrity, and so it's a great place to be. I also discuss this a lot with my kids. Who you surround yourself is so important. Who are you getting counsel from? Who are you listening to? It's a big deal. If you hang out with the right people, surround yourself with people that share your core values, it's very important. They'll help pull you up. So that's core value number 6. It's a big one. Think about it. I believe it's the way to live life for sure. Market-wise, it's again a little bit of a crazy time right now. As I do this recording, we've seen 4 down days in the markets, potentially 5, because today the market's down as well. And is this the pullback that I've been talking about, that I was kind of hoping for? As you hear me say, hey, I'd love to see a little pullback. The Dow's off right about 2%, a little over 2%. Again, I think that's healthy and good. There are some things out there, some news that kind of is causing this. Inflation numbers, for example, we saw the producer price index come out last week, the so-called PPI, came out year over year, up 8.3%. That's huge. The core was 6.7. If we take out the energy, the volatile food and energy, it was 6.7% year over year through August. Those are big numbers. Inflation is a concern. However, we think it's just a supply chain issue and it's a labor market shortage that we believe is going to be temporary. We do not see this as a long-term thing. But there is enough bad news out there, some economics numbers that were a little softer. We're still seeing the Fed talking about tapering. We've got the stimulus package, and there's arguments over that. And so there's the COVID thing and the Delta variant that is causing some problems. And so all of these things are creating a little bit more of a headwind and reasons for individuals to maybe take some profits off what has been a very strong market. However, as we go into 2022, we think some of these issues that we're looking at might be short-lived, And so we're still cautiously optimistic for 2022, but I think it's going to continue to be bumpy for this, this last part of 2021. So continue to hang on. Volatility is there. If we get a pullback, I'd love to see a 5% or more pullback. I think that would be strong and good as we move forward. So this is part of the process that we go through. If you have questions or concerns, of course, never hesitate to call us. You know we're here for you. Other than that, I hope to see you at the Client Appreciation Party on November 5th. It's going to be a good one. Take care and God bless. Bye-bye.